World Laughter Day was created in 1998 by Dr. Madan Kadaria, founder of the Laughter Yoga movement. It is celebrated on the first Sunday of May every year to raise awareness about laughter and its many healthy benefits. Laughter is a universal language that connects people and promotes peace and togetherness. Laughter has many physical, mental, and social benefits. It decreases stress hormones and increases the production of good hormones that make us feel positive and relaxed. Laughter also boosts the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and interferons. It reduces pain by altering our perception of pain and releasing endorphins. Laughter also helps decrease feelings of anxiety and depression and improves our mood and optimism. Socially, laughter connects us with others and builds bonds between people. It spreads to others and helps change the energy in a group, bringing more positive feelings. Laughter is also highly contagious. We tend to laugh along with others even if we don't fully understand why they are laughing. These shared positive experiences create bonding and relationships between people. On World Laughter Day, people come together to spread laughter and joy. Events and laughter clubs host laughter sections and yoga. People are encouraged to laugh with others, do random acts of laughter, and play pranks that will make others laugh. Watching comedy shows, laughing with friends and family, and doing simple laughter exercises are other ways to join the celebrations. The simple act of laughing and making others laugh too can go a long way in reducing negativity and spreading positivity. Make every day a laughter day. Laugh whenever you can. Spread cheer and joy. Let your laughter be a way to enhance lives and bring light to the lives of others. The first Sunday of May is World Laughter Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Laughter Day. Cheers!